Hello students, we know what is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now let's take a question. Factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108a square b plus 144ab square. You have to factorize this. First of all, see, this first term can be written in the form of this is a perfect cube. The second term is also a perfect cube. So this is turning out to be the form of a cube plus b cube. In case we convert this as perfect a and b, it can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. See, this 27a cube can be easily written as 3a whole cube plus 64b cube can be written as 4b whole cube plus this is turning out to be the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b. A means 3a and b means 4b. 3a square b plus 3ab square. That means 3a into 4b whole square. You can recheck. 3a whole cube is 27a cube. That means we have done right. 4b whole cube means 64b cube. This is 3 into 3a whole square. 3a whole square means 9a square. So 3 into 9a square into 4b is again 108a square b. That means we have split this 108 correctly. So this is 3 into 3a into 4b square, 4b whole square. You can check, this is turning out to be 144ab square. So this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equal to a plus b whole cube. It is of the form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is actually equal to a plus b whole cube. First of all, when such type of question comes, you need to identify which identity is being formed in the question, which form it is turning out to be. So it will be equal to a means 3a plus b means 4b whole cube. Now the question is factorized. We cannot leave this like this in the form of whole cube whole square. We have to solve it further. We have to write it in the form of its factors. So write it thrice. This is the answer. Let's take the next example. 125p cube minus 27q cube minus 225p square cube plus 135pq square. Now see, this 125p cube can be written as 5p whole cube minus, as it is, 27q cube can be written as 3q whole cube minus, now see which form it is turning out to be, a cube minus b cube minus, this can be written as 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 3a square b means 3 into 5p whole square into 3q, because this thing is a and this is b. So 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can recheck. This 3 into 5p whole square into 3q would be 225pq square minus, as it is, and this 3 into 5p into 3q whole square turns out to be 135pq whole square. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. So this will be equal to a minus b whole cube. That means 5p minus 3q whole cube. Since we have to factorize this, write it thrice. This is the answer. Let's take one more example. A cube by 8 minus 27 by b cube minus 9a square by 4b plus 27a by 2b square. Now see, this a cube by 8 can be written as a by 2 whole cube, because a cube is a cube, 2 cube is 8, minus as this 27 by b cube can be written as 3 by b whole cube. Now we know it is actually turning out to be the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this will be the form of minus 3a square b. 3 into a square into b plus this would be 3ab square, 3 into a into b square. You can recheck, it would be this 3a by 2 whole square into 3b would be this term, and this would be 27a by 2b square. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. So this will be equal to a means a by 2 minus b means 3 by b whole cube. So it will be equal to a by 2 minus 3 by b into a by 2 minus 3 by b into a by 2 minus 3 by b. This is the answer.